To today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction of surds. As our first example, we're going to look at a question that says root 32 plus 3 root 8. So what you need to do in this case is you need to express these two surds in the form a root b. And this form a root b, it has to be common. It has to be common between the two surds. So like in this case, our next stage would be 16 times 2, and here we are going to have under the root sign 4 times 2, and here you take out the root of 16, which is 4, and under the root you remain with 2, and here you are going to take out the root of 4 and you multiply it by the number outside, and the root of 4 is 2, and under the root sign you remain with 2, and here we simplify this one. We multiply 3 times 2 and we get 6 root 2, and our final answer would be, just because both of these surds are in terms of root 2, it means we can add the numbers before the root. So 4 plus 6, we get 10, and our answer will be 10 root 2. Okay, we're going to look at another example. This case is going to be subtraction. So each and every time when you get questions like this, you need to identify a perfect square, which is a factor of the number under the root sign. So in this case, this one has been simplified already. We're going to write it as it is 7 root 3, and this one we know the factor, which is a perfect square, which is a factor, is 25. So 25 times 3, and here we say 7 root 3, and here we take out the root of 25, which is 5, and since these two are now expressed in terms of root 3, it means we can subtract the numbers before the root. So 7 minus 5, you get 2, and your answer is in terms of root 3. So this will be your answer. We can look at another example that says 3 root 48 minus root 75 plus 2 root 12. So in this case, 16 is a factor of 48. We say 16 times 3, and here 25 is a factor of 75. We say 25 times 3, and here 4 is a factor of 12. We say 4 times 3. Now we take out the root outside the root sign. Here root of 16 is 4. We take it out and we multiply it with 3, and under the root we remain with 3. Here we take out 5 and we remain with 3 under the root, and here we take out 2 and we remain with 3 under the root. We simplify this stage. Here we get 12 root 3. Here we write it as it is, 5 root 3, and here we have 4 root 3, we can rewrite this question, and we start by writing the one that is being added or addition, and then we write subtraction at the end. And here we say 12 plus 4, we get 16, and then we say 16 minus 5, we get 11, and our answer is going to be 11 root 3. 11 root 3. Okay, so these are the 3 examples I had for you in this lesson. Just go through the video and make sure you understand this concept. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.